In the heartland of America, nature recently showcased its terrifying power. A series of powerful storms roared across the central United States, with tornadoes touching down in rural Oklahoma and large hailstones pummeling parts of Kansas. Among the towns affected was Barnsdall, Oklahoma, a close-knit community that found itself in the path of a tornado for the second time in just 5 weeks. The storm left behind a trail of significant damage, and tragically, the loss of at least one life. Homes were obliterated, power lines were toppled, and a cloud of uncertainty and fear hung heavy over the region. The wrath of these storms, their sudden and violent arrival, and the devastation they left in their wake, have left the residents shaken but resilient. These storms have once again reminded us of nature's raw, uncontrolled power. The aftermath of these storms has left a trail of destruction in its wake. In the wake of these powerful systems, the land seems to bear the scars of their wrath. Homes, once standing tall, now lay shattered and broken. The once bustling streets and neighborhoods are now a tableau of devastation. The storms were merciless, uprooting power lines and leaving communities in darkness. The magnitude of the damage is an eerie testament to the fury of Mother Nature. Alongside the physical destruction, the storms have also dealt a heavy blow to the people. Injuries have been reported, a chilling reminder of the human cost. Each one is a story of resilience, of people battling against the odds in the face of adversity. But as we survey the aftermath, it's clear that the ordeal is far from over. The region remains under the thumb of an ongoing threat of severe thunderstorms and potential tornadoes. The skies are a constant reminder of this, brooding and heavy with the promise of more to come. As we navigate through the rubble, we're not just rebuilding our homes, we're rebuilding our lives. We're picking up the pieces, standing shoulder to shoulder, reminding ourselves that we are stronger than the storm. It's a daunting task, but there's a sense of resolve in the air, a determination to confront whatever lies ahead. We've weathered the storm, and now we must face the aftermath. The road to recovery may be long and fraught with challenges, but it's a journey we're committed to making. As we grapple with the aftermath, the threat of further extreme weather looms over us. The power of these storms is not an isolated incident, but part of a larger global weather phenomenon. Across the globe, we're seeing a surge in severe weather events. Let's take a moment to look beyond the borders of the United States. In the heart of South America, Brazil is grappling with devastating floods. Torrents of water have been unleashed, turning streets into rivers and homes into islands. The country has been left to navigate this deluge, highlighting the unpredictable and destructive nature of these weather events. Meanwhile, on the other side of the world, Asia is under the grip of a stifling heat wave. The usually bustling streets are now deserted, with people retreating indoors to escape the relentless heat. The sun has become an adversary, its rays more punishing than ever. Back in the United States, the forecasts indicate that the stormy weather is far from over. The entire week is expected to be a tumultuous one, with thunderstorms predicted across the country. The eastern U.S. and the South, in particular, are bracing for a barrage of severe weather. This global weather havoc is a reminder of the volatile world we live in. From the fury of tornadoes to the scorching heat waves, we are witnessing an escalation in extreme weather events. The world, it seems, is in the throes of a weather rebellion. From tornadoes to heat waves, the world is witnessing an escalation in extreme weather events. As we recover and rebuild, it's crucial to consider the broader implications of these severe weather events. These storms, tornadoes, and other meteorological phenomena we've been experiencing aren't isolated incidents. They form part of a global pattern of increasingly severe and unpredictable weather events, a pattern that many scientists link to climate change. This is not to say that every storm or heat wave is a direct result of global warming, but the overall trend towards more extreme weather is unmistakable. It's a trend that we ignore at our peril. The pressing question is, how do we prepare for this new normal? The answer lies in stronger disaster management strategies. We need to build infrastructure that can withstand these events, create early warning systems that can save lives, and develop recovery plans that help communities bounce back faster. But it's not enough to just react. We also need to be proactive. We need to invest in renewable energy, reduce our carbon footprint, and work towards a more sustainable future. These are not just environmental issues, they are matters of human survival. In the face of such challenges, our resilience and adaptability will be put to the test.